Okay, welcome to a lesson on medians in a triangle. In this lesson, we're going to go over some properties of a triangle that deal with the medians. So probably want to know, what is a median? So let's go with some definitions. In a triangle, the median is the segment from a vertex that bisects the opposite side. So it's going out from the vertex to the opposite side. The centroid is formed in a triangle at the median intersection. So, a triangle has three angles, means it has three medians, and all three of these medians are going to meet at the same point called the centroid. There's something special about that centroid. So, here's a picture. The centroid's in blue, your medians are in red, and you see that it's indicated that it is bisecting all the sides. So let's talk about what makes that centroid so special. So look, I have two medians here and they're meeting at the centroid. And I'm going to throw some numbers in here. If from the centroid to the side bisected is 2 here, then that means from the vertex to the centroid on the same median is 4. If from the centroid here to this bisected side is 3, that means from that vertex to the centroid is 6. So there's a special property going on here. So I want you to pause the video and see if you can figure out what it is or what's going on. So go ahead and do that now. Okay, so what I was hoping you noticed is this short piece is 2, this is 4. Well, 2 times 2 is 4, so we doubled it. This is 3, this is 6. Did the doubling work again? Yes, 3 times 2 is 6. So, in any triangle that has its medians, and we know the centroid. So, just imagine that this is the centroid. Here's the vertex of that angle. Here's the side that's being bisected. We take this piece here and we call it x. This piece here is 2 times x. So, if I have this, and I know that this piece here is 5, and I want to figure out how far it is from its vertex to the centroid, I double it and I know it's 10. Opposite, if I know that this is 20 and I want to figure out the tiny piece, I cut it in half and I get that it is 10. Now obviously this picture is not to scale, but you see the idea here. So that is the special thing about the centroid. Medians. Now we need to remember that medians bisect their opposite sides. So by bisecting, like we've been learning several times already, means it cuts it in half. So that means that these two halves are congruent, which means that they're equal. So if you have a situation where you know one is 12 and we get that the other one is 2x minus 6, we can solve for the variable because we know that these are equal. And then it's just some simple math, and we get that x equals 9. So this is just a reminder that for you that the medians bisect sides, so you can set up equations because of that. So that's our lesson on the medians in a triangle.